Hey everyone, welcome to this new video. Today is literally such an exciting day to be sharing things with you guys because I have such a big life update that's been kind of brewing up for a long time. It is literally July 2nd, 14:45, and I finally get to share this stuff with you guys because I'm so excited about the things that are going to be happening soon. And I just decided to combine this with a very chill sort of format of getting ready with me. I'm going to be doing this very seamless summer look that doesn't involve a lot of products that people on TikTok seem to be doing. So yeah, if you want to get your mirrors out, we can get ready together, and I'm going to get to share my super exciting news. So I recently bought this little bag in which I keep all of my makeup in because I used to have such small tiny bags that I would keep different parts of my makeup in, and it would be so hard to travel with them, so hard to keep track of the things that I have and the things that I need. So I bought this at H&M a while ago, and this has been literally a lifesaver because now everything is in one spot, and I'm such a clumsy person that loses everything. So this being able to keep track of all of my makeup in one sort of little box is very helpful to me. I'm gonna start by moisturizing my face with this Ordinary moisturizer because my face has been really dry for quite some time, and I'm not really a fan of a dry face, especially under my eyes. I don't know, it feels so good to be putting on something a bit cold, especially in the summer. So that's what I'm doing. I also already prepped my lips with this Elizabeth Arden balm because I want my lips to also be moisturized. The really exciting news I've been meaning to share with everybody is that I finally got into a uni in Denmark, and it's literally unreal to say this stuff because I've been dreaming about going to uni. I know this sounds like such a nerdy thing to say, but I've been dreaming about going to uni since literally grade 6. I've already been planning this whole career thing and what I'm gonna do in life, and obviously everything changed and I'm still unsure about the things that I want to do, but at least I know where I'm going. So I'm applying concealer, by the way. Basically, where I'm ending up is this university, which is the Technical University of Denmark, that is located kind of very close to Copenhagen, but still in a different sort of city. And so basically what happened is I got an early offer from the uni that I wanted to go to. It was literally one of my top choices, and it's been unreal, the fact that I got it and the fact that I even opened it, because you guys are not gonna believe this. I almost missed the deadline for the response because I was boycotting opening Gmail, and I did not expect any sort of updates or news from unis because it was literally too early. I haven't even gotten my diploma results yet for my B, and I opened my Gmail at some point, and I scroll down, and I see offer from this uni, blah blah blah, and I'm like, okay, this is interesting. And so I opened that email, and they forgot to attach the actual document in it, so I just kind of ignored it. But basically, the next day, I woke up and I decided to shoot them an email, ask them what was that about, and they sent me a document, and it literally said, hey, we're gonna give you an early conditional offer because whatever, the dean of admission, something, I don't know, a bunch of BS like that, right? And I was literally stunned at that moment. Okay, I just found out my camera has this really stupid feature of turning off when it's filming and it gets overheated. So I don't know where it stopped, but I saw that I was showing this bronzer. I was gonna use this bronzer. Sometimes I also use this tillbury one because this one is super special to me. I bought it with my own kind of first money that I made from babysitting, so that is super special to me, but it gives more of a matte look that I don't prefer for the summer. So this is what I'm going for today. I already applied it because stupid camera shut off when I was doing my stuff, but basically I just put a couple of dots and then I blended it out with this brush. So like I showed you guys before, I have the little Tarte set of the mini things, but I don't think I'm actually gonna use this one today because it's super shiny, and if you're into that, that's super, because they have this one and they also have a lighter shade. The pinky one is my favorite, but today I'm gonna use this little the Balm blush. It's like this, it's a bit darker, but I also like it because it gives a sort of seamless blush look. I'm so scared. Do you know that trend on TikTok where there's blush blindness? I'm so scared that I'm gonna have that, or bronzer blindness or something like that. So I'm just gonna use a bit of it. I'm gonna use a different brush. I need to wash my brushes. I'm sorry if they look really dirty. Trust me, they are. But I need to I'm gonna wash them after this video, I promise. Maybe. So I wake up, I send the university an email, they send me back a document saying, you got this conditional acceptance, because I haven't gotten my documents back then yet, so like my diploma and stuff. So, and it was all great and stuff. I was super happy until I read the part where I have literally that one day to decide whether like I want to be accepting this offer, and that involves paying the tuition fees, starting to look for accommodations, starting the documents process, and all of that stuff. And I did not expect to start this process, start even like thinking about whether I want to go to that uni or another uni I applied to, or like what uni at all and what specialization, because basically I applied for engineering and for business. And it was just crazy to me because I had one date to decide what I wanted to like sort of do for the next 3 years of my life, when I expected to have at least an extra month to think of that stuff. So anyways, there's this hack that I saw on TikTok where people take a little brush, like an eyeshadow brush, and they take powder, bronzer. I'm literally sorry, I look like the most clumsiest person on earth, and that actually happened when I was packing up this whole like makeup bag, and it just fell off, and that wasn't nice. Okay, if there is a change in quality, it is because I changed from my camera to my phone. My camera sort of showed me the sign that it's overheating, so I decided to change it on my phone just to be safe and not like make it die on the literally like one of the first times I'm using it. So we're gonna curl my eyelashes. So to continue with my story and let you guys know where I'm at currently, I finally found housing, and like I said, I literally got the offer the next day after I applied. I feel like this is literally like one of the luckiest cases I've had, because the people that I've talked to literally have so much trouble finding it, but thank God I'm so lucky. And I got this really cute studio apartment, which also has access to the shared kitchen, and it is basically like a campus that's super close to the uni. The studio looks great, it looks super clean and very modern. It has some storage spacing, which is, I guess, not enough, but I feel like it's better than what I've seen with most sort of student accommodation services. And yeah, I have my own bathroom, I have my own kitchen, and I'm so excited for that because I love cooking like sort of fun stuff. Not always, don't get me wrong, but I love cooking when it comes to the pasta and like cute stuff, like, you know what I mean? I guess you know what I mean. Okay, I don't know which mascara to go for because I have two Maybelline mascaras. This one's old, this one's new, and I also had one that was brown, and it was kind of a waterproof one, but that one just got dry, so I threw it away and I don't have it anymore. So it's between these two, but I think I'm gonna go for this one. Anyways, so that is what is up with the accommodation. I'm currently applying for the documents because since I'm not from the EU, I need a residence permit to live in Denmark. And I have a bit of a mashup, like I said, with the passport situation because I still need to get my passport. And then I'm gonna only be able to apply for like the permit. And basically there's some stuff with the kind of timing that's a bit wonky, but you know what? I'm hoping that my luck turns out to be good this time as well, and I'm just praying for that. And after that, I think the process is literally about done. I just have to go get my biometrics done for the documents. So I'm gonna have to travel to Denmark at the end of the month, and I'm excited to have the opportunity to do that. But then after, I'm literally moving in a month, and yeah, it is so exciting. It is crazy. Like, it is crazy to be talking about this on camera when I literally dreamed about this since I was so like young, in middle school literally, and I'm going to uni. It is crazy. It's just crazy. Anyways, to finish off this look, I'm gonna use this Clarins lip oil. It is in the like darkest shade that they have. It's in shades 03 Cherry. I also like to use this sometimes. I stole it from my mom. Shout out to mom. And it is sort of the Rouge Expert Click Stick. It's very cute because you get to click it up. You know, like everybody does this now. So that is it for my summer makeup look. I think it looks so cute, and literally for the summer, this is the best look because it takes no time. Because now I was talking, but usually it takes no time to do, and it is just so quick, so easy, and it is literally so seamless. And I like how it's not heavy at all, and there's no sort of foundation, no primer, none of that stuff. It's very moisturizing, and it's very like quick and easy, and I feel like that's the to-go for the summer. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope your makeup look turned out amazing as well if you were getting ready to, and I'll see you in the next video.